Artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming the gaming industry in profound ways. From enhancing game development to revolutionizing player experiences, AI is redefining what's possible in the world of gaming. In this video, we delve deeper into how AI is impacting games like Candy Crush, creating more engaging and immersive experiences for players. We explore the advancements in AI that enable game developers to produce content faster and more efficiently, leading to an ever-evolving gaming landscape. This video provides a comprehensive overview of the AI revolution in gaming, highlighting its potential to shape the future of this dynamic industry. The AI revolution in gaming is reshaping the industry, offering groundbreaking changes and innovations. From the early days of simple AI opponents in games like Pong, the gaming world has witnessed a significant evolution. Today, generative AI is at the forefront, promising to revolutionize game creation, distribution, and operation. AI's impact is evident in various aspects of gaming, including the automation of game content creation, such as visuals, audio, and even code. This leads to shorter development times and more ambitious games from both small and large studios. Generative models are simplifying game distribution, enabling robust marketing plans and content creation. LiveOps in games are being supported by AI, ensuring game balance and safe playing environments. The future of gaming with AI includes AI-first games, where games adapt to the gamer visually and in storytelling, offering personalized experiences. Intelligent NPCs will play active roles, holding actual conversations, and reacting authentically to players' actions. AI is also paving the way for new human-machine interfaces, transforming how we experience games. Voice and thought control are emerging as credible alternatives to traditional controls, and thoughts-to-images technology is being explored. The AI revolution in gaming is just beginning, and we are set to witness more expansive, high-quality games shipping faster. In the medium term, expect AI-first games and new interaction methods, contributing to a healthier and more successful gaming industry. The gaming industry is undergoing a significant transformation, thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence (AI). AI is not just a buzzword in gaming. It's a game changer, enhancing everything from game development to player experiences. AI's impact is evident in various aspects of gaming, including the creation of more immersive and interactive game environments, the development of smarter non-player characters and NPCs, and the introduction of more personalized gaming experiences. AI-driven technologies, like procedural content generation, are enabling developers to create vast, dynamic worlds with less manual effort. AI is also revolutionizing game testing and balancing, making games more engaging and fair. Furthermore, AI is opening doors to new gaming experiences, such as adaptive storytelling, where the game's narrative changes based on player choices and behaviors. The future of gaming with AI promises even more exciting developments, potentially leading to entirely new genres and ways of interacting with games. As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that its role in gaming will only become more significant, shaping the future of this dynamic industry. The AI revolution in gaming, how it's changing the industry. The gaming industry is undergoing a significant transformation, thanks to the advent of artificial intelligence (AI). AI is not just a buzzword in gaming. It's a game changer that's reshaping how games are developed, played, and experienced. From the early days of simple AI opponents in games like Pong, the industry has come a long way. Today, AI is integral to creating more immersive and interactive gaming experiences. One of the key areas where AI is making a mark is in game development. AI algorithms are now capable of generating game content, from visuals to audio, speeding up the development process and allowing for more creativity and innovation. This means games can be developed faster and with more complexity, offering gamers richer experiences. AI is also enhancing the gameplay experience. With advanced AI, non-player characters (NPCs) can behave more realistically, adapting to players' actions and making games more engaging. AI-driven personalization is another exciting development, where games can adapt their storytelling and challenges based on individual player preferences and behaviors. Moreover, AI is opening up new possibilities in game design. Imagine games that evolve based on player interactions, where the game world changes and adapts in real time. This could lead to a new era of gaming where each player's experience is unique and dynamic. The AI revolution in gaming is just beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and captivating gaming experiences. The future of gaming looks bright, and AI is at the forefront of this exciting journey. The gaming industry is undergoing a significant transformation, thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence AI. From the early days of simple AI opponents in games like Pong, the industry has evolved to embrace more complex and interactive AI technologies. Today, AI is not just a part of the gaming experience. It's reshaping the entire landscape. AI's impact on gaming is multifaceted. It enhances game development by automating repetitive tasks, allowing creators to focus on more creative aspects. This leads to shorter development times and more ambitious projects. For instance, AI can generate visual elements, audio, and even game code, speeding up the production process. Moreover, AI is revolutionizing game distribution and operation. Tools like generative models help in marketing, creating visuals, and streamlining distribution. In terms of game operation, AI supports LiveOps by maintaining game balance and ensuring safe gaming environments through moderation. The future of gaming with AI is even more exciting. We're moving towards AI-first games, where the gaming experience adapts to the player. This includes adaptive storytelling, where games evolve based on player interactions, and intelligent NPCs that offer more realistic and engaging experiences. Furthermore, AI is opening up new interaction methods in gaming. Voice and thought-based controls are becoming more viable, offering players new ways to engage with games. This could lead to innovations like thoughts-to-images technology, transforming how we create and interact with game worlds. In summary, AI is not just a tool in gaming. It's a game changer. It's enabling faster, more creative game development, introducing new game types, and transforming player interactions. The AI revolution in gaming is just beginning, and it promises to take the industry to new heights. Candy Crush, a game that has captivated 238 million people worldwide, is more than just a colorful puzzle. It's a testament to the evolving definition of a gamer and a pioneer in the gaming industry. Most of its players are women, contributing to its billion-dollar annual revenue. With over 14,000 levels, Candy Crush has kept its fans engaged for years. And now, generative AI is set to revolutionize game development further. Steve Collins, King's CTO, highlights how AI tools empower creative teams to bring more ideas to life, speeding up game creation and enhancing player experiences. AI's role in gaming isn't new. It's been shaping player interactions and game dynamics for decades. King's acquisition of Peltarian, an AI company, underscores the industry's commitment to integrating AI in game development. From testing levels with AI bots to adapting games to diverse player personas, AI is unlocking new potentials in gaming. As the industry continues to blend art with technological innovation, AI stands as a key player in shaping the future of gaming, promising more immersive and personalized experiences for players around the world.